Yo. Righty, so I've been a bit under the weather and I haven't mowed the lawn for a while, a couple of weeks. Because of the gum tree, there's a heap of sticks and stuff on the lawn, so I'll just go around and pick that up so the cylinder mower doesn't get any nicks in the blade or the bed knife. Yeah, that's one disadvantage of having a big gum tree. You can see like that's a fair old stick. Yeah, don't want that getting in between the reel and the bed knife. So if there was heaps of thick debris, I could sort of run over it with the rotary mower, suck most of it up. Sometimes I do that. I did that especially when I first started down here, and it was a lot of dirt and a lot of sticks and leaves coming down. But it's not too bad at the moment. A lot of the smaller stuff like that, I wouldn't be concerned about that, like personally. Maybe if I had like a multi-$1,000 Toro or something, I might not be mowing over that, but I'm happy to, like I've been doing that for a long time. 90% of the time it doesn't even get sucked up into the mower, so. So, the cooch has 100% woken up. The fairy ring's going again, the mushrooms are back. So yeah, you can tell there's some seed head from the cooch. Good old seed head. Santa. Yeah, so probably need to start thinking about getting rid of this ryegrass. Half a tomato the dogs have monged on. Yeah, probably need to start thinking about getting rid of this ryegrass because the cooch is pushing back through it. One thing that stands out is just how nice a green ryegrass is. It's beautiful. Like it's this really dark, waxy green. It's awesome. The cooch almost looks a bit grey or blue when it comes through. So yeah, have really enjoyed the ryegrass. So just basically got to do the edges, go around with the whippersnipper, then mow it. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm filming this with a different camera. This is just my phone that I've cable tied to the tripod because I think I threw my GoPro in the bin. Yeah, that was an accident. I've had a look this morning, I can't find it, so plan B is cable ties and the old phone. So hopefully the audio is not too bad. I think the picture quality might even be better than the GoPro because I just use an old one. But yeah, I might have to get the old credit card out and buy an actual camera now. Before I mow today, just have a quick, I'll just quickly let you know what I'm going to be doing. In the next couple of weeks there will be a reno. Get rid of the ryegrass, and I got one more little project I want to get finished before I do my reno. So I'll show you what that is. Alrighty, so what we've got here is an old, I think it's like a 70s Victor utility mower. It's a slasher. Came with a little 2-stroke motor on it that's completely seized. I bought this thing. Yeah, it is a 750 PXI. It's got the cast iron bore, 191cc. It's massive. What do you see on here? So yeah, it's gonna look kind of funny. So yeah, I think it's 5.5 horsepower. It's ridiculous, it's massive, but I'm gonna be able to scalp to China with this thing, I think. I bought a new Massport deck, so I'll be running new blades and a blade disc and all that, so yeah. what I do need to do, the the Briggs engines have a different bolting pattern, obviously, to this old Victor. So what I'm going to need to do is like cut this out and weld in a new frame here, and so I can mount the engine, get it nice and low. This thing will be able to scalp very low. Alrighty, so today I'm just going to use the whippersnipper to do the edges today. Something different. So yeah, just edge, mow, enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Alrighty, done. Double cut. Yeah, so double cut in a diamond pattern. I haven't done that before. Don't know how well it shows up. Fairy ring. I think diamonds are a girl's best friend. That means that Rymans are a boy's best friend. Rymans, get it? Alright, so that's mowed. Looks cool. The dogs are out here having some fun. So that's the cat. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Stick around. Be doing the super scalper. That'll be good fun. Then we'll mow this down to dirt. Try and get it a little bit more level, and just keep mowing it. Yeah. Cheers.
No!